So the next item we'll look at how to treat walk-ins. When people walk in, somebody just walk in into the hospital. So you come to the left-hand side of the screen, you click on nurses station, and then you go to walk-in. Now this is the walk-in screen. So the first thing you do is to, if the person already exists in the system, you search for the name here, and then you select it. But if the person does not exist, you will have to register new. You have to click on register new patient. Now, on the right hand side are recent people who have been who are working for treatment or one service or the other. Now you can click on it on the name like this to select that name. You see that that name comes in here straightforward. So those are all the details. So that's the details for the person. And if the person has done some services like lab, you click on it, you see them checked. Radiology, you see them check the services that the person, if it's medical services or procedures, you see them checked as well. Now, if you, by the person's name, if you click on the eye icon, it will show you the kind of services that the person came for and how much that services cost. And then you can post it to billing so the person could be billed before the service is um, because the service before the service is rendered. Okay. Now, if the person is new and is not in the system, then you click on new, register new patient. So you click on it, it clears everything for you, and then you begin to fill in the form. So requested from, if it's the request is coming from a hospital, you put it in there. The doctor that requested for the service, and then the name of the patient, number, email, gender, age, date of birth if possible, and then address. After that, you click on save to save it. Once you click on save, that name is going to come as the first name. So the last name is always the first one at the top here. Then you can proceed. So let's say this is the name you just saved. You can proceed and then click on laboratory service, and then you select the services that the person is going to take. So you can do this, or you can do this. Yes, you click on the service, so it's added. You click on this one, it's added. So that's how you add the services the person is coming for. So now if we've added two new services, so we just lipid profile and troponin 1. Okay, so if we click on the eye, we should see it, lipid profile and troponin 1. So it's been added. So this ones you can see they've been posted, but this two has not been posted. So you can delete or not to delete. So now once it's posted, you cannot do any change to it. So that is it. So one, if I click on post again, it's going to post this thing, and the bills for this particular client will increase. And then you see total pending or pending results, and then the number completed for today, and then active patient. You see those um, details coming up. So basically, that is it for walk-in patients.